My goodness. This guy just comes crawling into my neighborhood. What is it? What kind of bird is this? Hello, what's your name? What kind of bird are you? Yeah, what kind of bird are you? Wow, you look scary. I thought this was a kid walking up to me from the side, but it's actually some kind of stork. Are you a stork? You're definitely not a turkey. Chumley, look at the bird. Get the bird, Chumley. Oh, he's coming closer. Holy crap. Look at the feet on that guy. Hi. Hello. Hello. Whoa, you got a big head. You're not a vulture, are you? One of these turkey vulture things? Huh? Come here. Come here. Yeah, I'm talking to you, buddy. You're on my lawn. I'm talking to you, yeah. What do you want? What do you want? Chumley, look. Chumley, wake your ass up. Chumley, attack. Attack. Chumley, attack. This is the laziest damn cat. Come here. Look. Look. Look, do something. Look. Look. There's dinner. Dinner right there. Look. No, not me. Over there, look. You see him yet? Look. Look. You won't even look. Look. Look, Chumley, look. Oh, now you got him. What you gonna do about that? What you gonna do about that boy sitting there? Sick him. Sick him, Chumley.
What the hell?
Get him, Chumley. Get him, Chumley.
What is that bird doing here?
Get him, Chumley. Chumley, get. Chumley, get that.
Are you taking a picture or are you videoing?
Video him. Oh, he just spit something out. He's gonna come attack. He's gonna attack.
Yes.
Oh dang! Oh, I know him.
It's
Charlie. That's Charlie. That's Ed's bird.
That bird this is a wild bird. He
I
just
know,
came
but he
walking around the
feeds Charlie.
corner.
He feeds Charlie. His name's Charlie.
What's that coming out of his mouth?
Charlie's the smallest one.
Oh, dang. That is a huge bird.
And Chumley won't do nothing. He's just sitting there looking at him.
Cause he knows.
No, he's trying to get it. Look at him. Come here, look, Josh.
Oh dang!
Don't make no sudden moves. You'll attack.
Look, Josh.
Look at the feet on it.
I know. It's cool.
Like
Watch.
Well,
But longer.
Mm-hmm.